Welcome to learning about E3 and IPED import. In this tutorial, we will see E3 import data from IPED Digital Forensic Tool. To begin, go to the Import Logs and Artifacts option. Once the wizard opens, select IPED Digital Forensic Tool data. On the next page, select Import All Data and proceed to the Source page. From here, you can browse and select an output folder generated by IPED Digital Forensic Tool after image analysis. This folder may contain files exported from an image, CSV files with information and artifacts collected by the tool, and IPED system files. Click Finish to start the importing process. Once the importing process is over, expand the case with IPED data. The binary data folder contains all files available in the output folder, including the restored file system, if any. The parsed data folder contains the parsed CSV files. For example, a file list file contains information on all files available on the image.